The Bee by Emily Dickinson. Like trains of cars on tracks of plush, I hear the level bee. Ajar across the flowers goes their velvet masonry, withstands until the sweet assault their chivalry consumes, while he, victorious, tilts away to vanquish other blooms. His feet are shod with gauze. His helmet is of gold. His breast a single onyx, with cries of praise inlaid. His labor is a chant, his idleness a tune. Oh, for a bee's experience of clovers and of noon. Thank you very much for listening to CureQuotes with CynthMD. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.